안녕하세요. Hi everyone. This is your Korean Sam, Jina. Today we're already day 47. We're getting to 50. Wow. Well done so far. And today's expression is 가슴이 아프다. Repeat after me. 가슴이 아프다. 아프다 알아요. You know 아프다. Hurts. 가슴 어디예요? 가슴 is chest. 가슴이 아파요. Or hurt. 가슴 can be mean heart and chest. So your chest hurts, your heart hurts. Here. He is crying. Little boy is crying. Why? Because his dog is it broke its leg. So, it's heartbreaking. It's so sad. 맞아요? So, 가슴이 아프다 means to feel sad and pitiful. It's easy. Yes. Because when you're sad, you're crying in heart. So, my heart hurts. 너무 아파요. So it is used when a person feels sad and pitiful about something, about dog, about others, about the situation, or anywhere. So there is similar expression, heartbroken, almost the same. 가슴이 아파요, heartbroken, or it is heartbreaking, 가슴이 아파요. You can also use it in this way. And 마음이 아파요. 가슴 means chest and heart. 마음 means hurts. So 마음이 아파요 also is the same meaning. And 가슴이 찢어지다. 가슴 찢어지다 뭐예요? Is torn. 찢다. Tear. So 가슴이 찢어져요. My heart is torn away. My heart is scattered. 너무 아파요. Because it's too heartbreaking. 네. So 이렇게 you can use in this way. So you remember. Alright. Let's go to examples. A. 현우 씨, 오늘은 왜 차를 안 가지고 왔어요? 현우, why didn't you bring your car today? B. 차 사고가 났거든요. Oh, I had a car accident. And A. 어머, 몸은 괜찮아요? Are you okay? 새 차인데 가슴이 아프겠네요. You must be heartbroken because it was new car. 맞아요. 엄청요. Indeed. 저는 다행히 다친 곳은 없어요. But luckily, I didn't get hurt. So I'm okay, but my car is broken. My car has a big scratch. So you have a scratch in your heart too. So 가슴이 아파요. You can say like this. Okay, then are you ready to check? Here, number 1. When can 가슴이 아프다 be used? 1. 키우던 강아지가 죽었을 때. When your dog is dead. Then 가슴이 아파요? Of course, you're grieving. It's too sad. 너무 가슴이 아파요. So it's the answer. Number 2. 맛없는 음식을 먹을 때 when you eat very undelicious food, is it heartbreaking? It's not good, but it doesn't make you sad. So it's not the answer. Number 3. 시험이 어려울 때 when the exam is too hard, too difficult, then you feel maybe frustrated, but not really sad. It's not about sad mood. Okay, number 4. 할 일이 많을 때. When you have a lot of things to do, you are sad, you are pitiful? 아니요. So it's number 1. Okay, let's complete the sentence below. 영화의 결말이 영화의 결말, the ending of the movie was 너무너무 blank and 눈물이 났다. So I cried a lot. Why? 영화의 결말이 너무 가슴이 아파서 it's too heartbreaking. The ending was too sad. So I cried a lot. Okay, I hope you get well. You understand well. And this is all for today. 다음 시간에 만나요.